Think you're doing push-ups right? Be honest. Are you actually building strength or slowly destroying your shoulders and wasting half your energy? Here's the truth. Most people who struggle to hit even 30 push-ups aren't weak. They're leaking power with every rep. Fix that, and 90 plus becomes way more realistic than you think. Stay with me for the next few minutes, and you'll see exactly why. The hidden mistakes. Let's start with the mistakes almost everyone makes. Mistake number 1, banana back. Your hips sag, your lower back arches, and suddenly your spine is carrying the load instead of your chest. Quick question, would you build a skyscraper on a soft, bending foundation? Of course not. Your core is the foundation. If it collapses, everything above collapses too. Mistake number 2, elbows flaring like wings. This puts your shoulders in a weak, vulnerable position. You lose power and grind the joint instead of activating the chest. Mistake number 3, half reps that lie to you. If your chest isn't coming close to the ground and your arms aren't fully locking out, you're not training strength, you're training bad habits. Keep these in your mind, because when we fix them, your reps won't just go up, your strength will explode. The simple fix. Let's start with the basics. Don't overthink this, just adjust one thing first. Make your body a straight line. Head, spine, hips, heels, perfectly aligned. How do you know you're doing it right? Imagine there's a broomstick lying along your back from head to tailbone. If it would stay in place, you're locked in. This alone can add 10 to 15 clean reps to most people instantly. But we're just getting started. Intermediate fix. Now let's upgrade your power output. Pull your elbows in at a 30 to 45 degree angle. Not too close, not flared out, just enough to protect your shoulders and maximize chest drive. Here's the light bulb moment. When your elbows sit in that angle, your push-up becomes a press instead of a grind. Suddenly, the force travels through the chest and triceps efficiently. You'll feel stronger, you'll feel smoother, and you'll last longer. Advanced tweaks for 90 plus. All right, here are the secrets that push you toward 90 plus in one set. Advanced tip number 1, pre-tension the core. Before your first rep, squeeze your glutes and tighten your core like someone is about to poke your stomach. This turns your body into one solid unit. No energy leakage. Advanced tip number 2, use controlled breathing. Breathe in on the way down, explode out on the way up. Think of your breath as your internal fuel pump. Advanced tip number 3, keep a steady rhythm. Not too fast, not too slow. Find a pace you can maintain for 30, 40, 50 reps without burning out early. Do these 3 together and you'll be shocked at how much endurance you unlock. All right, quick recap. Straight line body, elbows at 30 to 45 degrees, chest to the ground, full lockout. Core tight, glutes on, breathe with intention, keep a rhythm. Now here's your challenge. Drop down right now and do 10 flawless reps using everything you learned. Feel how different it is? That's the power of proper form. Keep practicing this, and 90 plus reps stops being a dream. It becomes a target you're actually closing in on. You've got this. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, and I'll see you at the next level.